Hey, what's going on, guys? Serrano back here with another video. But if you're chilling right now, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, get notified for more future videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Now, there's a lot of speculation with the Airpods 3. These guys are, there's an article here that says they're going to be like a mixture between the pros and the twos. Will they have spatial audio? What kind of features are they going to offer? Is there any official word on some of the things that they're going to be offering? But there's a lot of speculation. It says that LeBron James is talking about them on Instagram. They're talking about how much the price will be, $199, $159. But in the meantime, I do have these clones. These mimic the actual design that we saw on the leaks, websites, things of that nature. Everything that we have on them thus far, they've actually leaked them, and these are what we have. So this is pretty much going to be what they look like now. Completely, these are clone models, so let's just see what these are going to look like, what they're going to offer. Are they going to even be anything close or to resemblance of what the Apple 3s will look like later on this year? But if it's your very first time to the channel, do me a favor, hit both the like and the subscribe button before we start the unboxing. But let's just jump back into it. We're going to go ahead, open this box up. Now on the front of this, it says the Hi-Fi Double V 5.0 Pro 6 with Bluetooth 5.0 tap operation, bilateral calling, and support for Siri. So it seems like this box was opened. I'm not sure exactly where it shipped from. I know it shipped from China, but it has some specs here. 15 meters of distance of transmission. Usually it's 33, so that's kind of weird. But let's go ahead, open this up, and see what this is all about. I'm gonna go ahead, pair these, test the mics out, kind of see if I would even recommend these for, somebody who wants to use these in replacement of the Apple Airpod 3s that are going to be coming out later in the third quarter of this year. But it says right here we have double tap, double press to play and pause, triple tap to skip forward and back, press over 3 seconds to get the Siri, and you get the hang up option on here. So this is the user manual. Inside here, they give us a short lightning cable. These are pretty much useless at this point. They're too short to connect to anything. But let's go ahead and see what we're getting right here. Now, this is the size of the case. Now, this is interesting. It's like the Apple II case, but smaller. But then sort of like the Pro case. So we do have these ones right here. So let me show you how big this is compared to the Pros. So this is the size of the Pros, and this is the size of the ones I'm looking at right now. And then this is the size of the the twos. So really big separation in size. As you can see right there, they're a lot smaller. They're like a mini version or something like that. All right, guys, so as far as these go, there's no wireless charging support. Let me go ahead, open this up. This has a weird click to it when you first open it. Let me see. I don't know if you could hear that. So it's all matte black. I really like that part about it. Let's take a look at these earbuds in a little bit more detail. They kind of mimic the Pros, but also have that short stem ear tip, which is I just got a power on and pairing signal, so I must have tapped something that initiated that. But you can see the shape of these. They kind of look like little hair dryers or something like that, like mini hair dryers. But you can see that they have this part right here, which is covering the back end, is like, it has that little strip there. It's not a sticker or anything. It definitely looks real. And then you get the speakers inside right there. You can see the cavity right there where the noise is going to come out of. And then you get a little insert right there. So there's 3 little ports, one 2, 3. Kind of curious to see how these will sound. They do have those black caps on the bottom of them, so they do look pretty cool in person. They do look really nice. Has a nice shape to them. You can see right there. So this is kind of, we're getting an idea of what these AirPods 3 might look and feel like. I'm not sure if they're gonna sound exactly the same as these, but I'm gonna put these in the case real quick and I'm gonna take them out because I wanna see if we get that auto pairing feature on Android right now. So let's go ahead and get that done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my smart device. Let's go ahead and connect to the Bluetooth real quick. Let me see, I'm gonna put these off to the side, but these are the actual sizes of what they would look like. So you could kind of see the 3 is gonna kind of be a mixture between the 1 and the 2. I have this one in matte and this one is in matte. This is the glossy texture, but you can see right here. Kind of gives you an idea of what it'll look like. There's no branding on here or anything like that. They do have the lightning cable connection on here. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the top and see if we get like some type of pairing. It does say Pro 6 already on here. It does say Pro 6. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that. It does allow me to pair them on here. So 70%, it already is connected to the SBC, which is pretty cool to see that they do have that compatibility. Right here, so you get that SBC as far as the quality. Let's go check out a song, test the mics out, see if there's any video latency. I'm gonna go first onto YouTube right now, but first let me put these in my ear. See, I'm gonna see how they feel in my ear compared to the previous generations. Okay, that feels pretty good. They fit really nicely. You could barely notice that they're in there. So that feels really good in my ear. I accidentally activated Google Assistant somehow. Let me see. So that right now I'm just gonna go into the lips and the words. We're gonna go ahead and see how these look. So I'm gonna go test out the lips and the words. So right now it's playing. It's on ad right now. Let me turn up the volume just a little bit. They actually sound good. So let me press skip so I can see the lips compared to the words on here. Turn this all the way up. Okay, so I'm just waiting for speech to. All right, so with the Bluetooth 5.0 connection, there is no latency whatsoever, so that's good to see. I'm gonna go ahead and play some Spotify on here as well. Mess around with the touch controls a little bit, and I was just listening to the new DMX album, so let me just see how that sounds. Sounds pretty good. So let me turn that up a little bit. They sound good. They sound really good at full volume. It's right about here. Let me just mess around with the track. 1 tap, 2 pause. Let me see. So you could do a squeeze, 2 pause. Squeeze it one more time. 2 squeezes. Switches the song 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Long hold it for a second. And you get the Google Assistant, so you can long hold it. All right, cool. So those I like how that has that Google Assistant 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, so that goes back, and that goes forward. So you get all your touch controls. You don't get volume controls on here. They feel pretty decent in my ear. They stay in there pretty well. They still feel like they're gonna fall out sometimes. But if you put it all the way in the ear, it won't have that issue, especially with the matte material. So I kind of like that. So it has a warm sound to it. I'm gonna wait for this track to start up. It's just starting up right now. Ooh, these sound really clear, really good audio on these. But Cow had said that the third generation AirPods should be around in the third quarter sometime. I just don't have money to afford the real ones, but let me just see. The volume one here sounds really good. Wow, there's actually pretty good audio on this. Let me go ahead and pause that. Press play again. I'm gonna see if we can still listen to music with one ear in. I'm gonna put one ear in right now. They do have that bilateral call-in, like it said on the box. So you can listen to one inside the case. The music didn't stop or anything like that. The case feels super cheap, like I'm gonna break it. To be completely 100% honest with you, it does feel like it's gonna break. But we put the left one in and do that again. It paused by accident when I did that. I'm accidentally hitting the button on the stem as well by accident. Let me see. Play the music again. All right, so it's playing the music again. This case literally feels like it's gonna snap. But they do have that option where you could listen to either ear singly. So I definitely like that part about them. The audio sounds really good as well. So I wanna go ahead and test out the microphones and let you guys know how that sounds right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and listen to some. I'm gonna actually connect my camcorder right here as I'm speaking, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and play some background sound music on camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit record right now. All right, guys. So this is how it would sound on the microphones using the Pro 6s right now. So kind of give you an idea of how the audio would sound on these earbuds, but it's like a pre-release, kind of like a bootleg AirPod 3 that we haven't seen yet, but this is kind of an idea of how they would look, how they would feel, how they would sound. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the call right now. Let me see, 2 taps, 1, 2. Let me just hit that. So, yeah, definitely some. Let me pause this so you don't have to hear that anymore. So let me know how the microphones did right there, but overall the sound quality is pretty decent. They don't have like volume controls or anything like that, but I just press play on the music again. They're really small, I would say these are gonna be probably around in between the price of the Pros and the 2s. So by the sound of these, they kind of sound like they're in the middle. They don't have those tips, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, this has a nice feel in it. I definitely could see these being really popular after the first generation and second, and even the Pros as well. But I'm gonna get right back with you. I definitely think these are some cool earbuds. But if you found this video helpful in any way possible, definitely hit the like button, show your support and appreciation. I definitely think these are gonna be similar to what we're gonna be getting from the third generation AirPods. So let me know what you guys think down below. But these are the duplicates. These are the Pros. I'm sorry, not the Pros, but these are the Pro 6s, which are going to duplicate the 3s that are going to be coming out later in the third quarter this year. But they have some pretty decent sound quality. I actually like the music that I'm hearing from these. The sound signature is really good. So if the new ones are anything like these in the coming up, I could definitely say that they're going to be a really good seller. But let me just listen to something with a little bit more bass. Yeah, really, really good. They get really loud. They get really, you know what I'm saying? Just a really good loudness. Bass is there. Everything's there. They sound really good as far as the 3D audio and things like that. So they don't sound cheap. They also have SBS. But this case feels really cheap. But I'm surprised I haven't broken it yet. But But let me know what you guys think about the Air 6. I'm gonna get right back with you in the comment section. Also gonna see you in the next video. But I'm also gonna check you on the next video, but I'm gonna get right back with you real quick. But make sure you subscribe, get notified for more videos just like this. I'm gonna see you in the comment section right now. I'm gonna read those right now, but I'll get right back with you later, crew. Peace.